What's up? Finally, they have come. As you see, today I have a bit of an unboxing. I got these off the SNKRS app, and I've been trying for a very long time now to get some shoes off of there. I finally got a pair, and I think it's a pretty cool pair. I've already cut this open, by the way, just to make it easier. But let's get into it. So if you can't tell from the box, it's the Nike Off-White Rubber Dunks. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but yeah, I was really happy to get these because I always try for like Jordan 1s and stuff like that and never get lucky. So I actually got lucky on these. So I hope this camera angle looks a little better, but here's the box. And as you can tell, it has holes in it for like all the other Off-White Dunks. There's my box. It's a pretty cool box. Here's the label. And I really thought that these would be selling for a lot better than what they are, but I think it'll go up over time, like all the other ones. And there it is. And I think out of all the colorways, this one would be my favorite. The other ones are just, they're not as lively as this one. I think the UNC ones look like some space shoes, but it's a pretty cool shoe. I like the color. It looks a lot different in person than it does in pictures. The green's a lot brighter in person. I think it looks kind of dull in the pictures. And then it's got the really thick tongue. I still don't think I'm not a big fan of the, like these rubber pieces that are on the toe, because they're on the sides and all along the bottom right here too. And then it comes with the green laces. But all in all, I think it's a pretty cool shoe, but it's definitely not my favorite. And here's another shot of them. Maybe you can see them a little better, but the Off-White tag or zip tie, whatever you want to call it, it's like this velvet material. I don't know how the other ones are because I obviously haven't owned them, so. But I feel like that's different than the other ones. I feel like the other ones say Off-White on them, but I don't know. I think they're a neat sneaker, but I don't know, definitely not my favorite. But I'll do some 1 feet shots, so that way you can see what they look like. Gonna be it for today for the Nike Off-White Rubber Dunks. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like, comment, subscribe. Peace.